Alright guys, got my RZR here. The motor was locked up. I got it freed up. Still spins pretty hard. Pretty sure that rod bearings seize themselves to the crank. But I had a bright idea. We're gonna fill it with Lucas. I drained all the oil in it. This was a fresh built motor. The oil pressure valve, I put the ball bearings in there like I heard, and they got wedged up in there. I got them free. I lost the oil pressure. Pretty sure it welded the rod to the crank, and it locked right up. Wasn't knocking, it just locked right up. So then I had a bright idea. We're going to see if Lucas will save this motor. So we're going to fire this up and see what happens. Well, that started pretty easy. We're going to let this run for a while and not knock it on idle. I rebuilt the transmission too. I got this thing, the motor was exploded, the transmission, the shifter was spinning all the way around. I had to take the tranny apart and weld the shaft going across. I got pictures, I'll include that in here. But we're gonna let this run for a while, and we got oil pressure. I took the original valve. I took the original valve out and I cleaned it up, put it back in there with a magnet, made sure it moved nice and free, and now I have good oil pressure. I don't know, did it just lock up? Give her some revs. Okay, I guess we can't. Oh, come on. Alright, hold on. Trying to do this one-handed here. Alright, we're back. I got help here holding the camera. Alright, let's get this thing fired up and see if she's knocking. That was awesome. Oh, it's tight. Alright, do it again. Well, I think that's it. Yeah, Lucas can't save a motor. Alright. As you just seen, it just completely locked up. I'm going to try and put a snowmobile motor in here. I'm going to put a 700 on here. I have a spare 700. I'm going to modify it. If that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments. If you want me to see me rebuild this motor out of this machine, also put it in the comments which one you want to see. Either me put the snowmobile motor on here, or do you want to see the original motor get rebuilt? Let me know. We'll try and free this thing up again, see what happens. I guess it wasn't that bad. Heat expansion. Oh, it's idling. Doesn't sound good. Probably not going to be happy till rods come through the side of that block, or I just won't turn over anymore. Still has oil pressure. I don't want to rev out because it's like seizing itself together. I think she's about done. Hey, look it, stop. Yeah, she's done. No, Lucas can't save your seized up engine. This is just for fun. Let me know, like I said in the comments, which engine you want me to go with. I'm thinking I'm leaning towards the snowmobile engine. We're going to modify it, put it on here. Alright, thank you. Have a great day. Alright guys, it's been about 15-20 minutes now. Still running, knocking like crazy. We're up to temperature. Still has decent oil pressure, and she's knocking. That'd be cool if that wire got caught in there, wouldn't it? Take all that and wrap it around. That wire got caught in there, right there. That's cool. I can't believe it's still running. It's all on Lucas. Can Lucas save your motor? If it's already knocking, there's something wrong. It's like putting a band-aid on it. The motor's already blown up. I just wanted to see what would happen. Just, you know, because I had a bunch of Lucas at the house for whatever various reasons. Good stuff. Yeah, like I said, when I bought this was all kicked in mud. Battery box is broke. It is broke. I 3D printed this one, but it broke over there. So I'm going to redo the design for the 3D print. But yeah, we'll just let it keep running. ground wire for the coolant sensor.